Hi, everybody. Haven't seen you for a while. You haven't seen me for a while either. So I wanted to make this video to kind of show you how you are going to navigate Canvas to be able to complete your assignments for Literacy Lab or reading. So I have on the screen right now the home page that you will see when you go to Literacy Lab in your Canvas page. And this has obviously the title, and then it has my office hours right here. So if you have questions for me and you want to be able to talk to me face to face, you can meet me on Google Meet, excuse me, from Wednesdays from 9 to 10 a.m. You can put this link in and I will be there from 9 to 10 at any time during that. So you can come in and meet with me and ask me questions if you have any. And then I also have a link here for all of the Canyons District home learning resources that you or your parents may want to access. Okay, so once you've gotten here, you're going to want to go to modules. Okay, on modules, you're only going to see one thing because we've only had 1 week. That's this week, the first week. This is the week where grades are actually counting. So what you do this week will go into your grade for fourth quarter. So you need to make sure that you are completing the assignments for this week. So you're just going to click on this, March 30th to April 3rd, that's this week. And you will see in this nice little table all of the information that you need. Okay, so you have just 3 assignments really that you're going to have to do this week. One is Workshop 3.1 Nearpod. So we are starting a brand new workshop because we were kind of at different points, and so we're just going to start fresh with Workshop 3.1. So I believe you've used Nearpod before. I know all the 8th graders have a lot. The 7th and 6th graders, hopefully you've used Nearpod as well. So you just click on this link. It will take you to the Nearpod. You have the code. You do need to make sure to put in your first and last name and your period, because your answers on the Nearpod will be points. That's a grade. So 13 assessment points is what you'll get on the Nearpod, okay? Then you are expected to do your student application at least 2 times per week for 20 to 30 minutes. So that is 40 to 60 minute total for the week. That's what you need to be doing, okay? And that is going to be worth 30 assignment points. Remember that assessments count for 80% of your grade, assignments count for 20% of your grade. And that is in the student application. Now, if you are struggling with how to sign in to the student application at home, if you click this link right here, you will be taken to a how to log into the Read 180 app from home video that will walk you through the steps of how to do that, okay? Then, while you're in your app during the week, you need to make sure you're completing at least one of the language or comprehension skills. So that could be the word assessment, the spelling assessment, or the comprehension skills. I will take one of those, the highest one, and that you will get 10 points for that. Okay, so whatever you got on it, it'll be a percentage, and it'll be out of 10 points that you get. So please make sure you're completing at least one of those each week. And then the last thing is your reading log. You are expected to read at least 60 minutes a day. So 30 to 60 minutes a day. And then there is a reading log that you will submit. So I'm going to actually click on this one so you can see. So you click on the reading log link and it's going to take you to the assignment. If you click on this link right here, that says, do you want to make a copy of the online reading log? And you are going to say, yes, I do want to make a copy. And that way you can have your very own reading log that will be put into your Google Drive. Okay, so this is what the reading log is going to look like. You can't see all of it. Some of it's cut off. I'll try to make this a little bit better. There you go. And you will see that you have each day, you're going to put what book you read. You're going to put the pages that you read. You're going to put how many minutes you read on that day, okay? Then you need to answer the comprehension questions. So you're going to summarize what you read today by saying what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end of the book, okay? So you just type in here. So you just click on, and then you start typing, let's see, Gabe went to the store. There you go. So you just type in there, and then you can fill in your reading log. So for each day, there's different questions or different comprehension activities that you need to do. So please make sure that you are doing all of them for each day. And then when you are done with that day, you're going to go back to your Canvas page, and if you click on right here where it says submit here, you click on that and it takes you back to the assignment page that we just had, and then you hit submit assignment, and then we're going to scroll down here and you're going to go to Google Drive. That's what we want, okay? And when it pulls up, my Google Drive's very extensive, so it's probably going to take a minute to pull up. When you pull yours up, you will have where it says copy. This is because I'm in student. Won't let me actually see it, but yours will say copy of reading log. You should rename that. So we're going to go back to our reading log here. So if I go up here, I can rename this Crandall online reading log, okay? And then on here, you would find that, or you can just do it as copy of reading log. That's fine too. And then you attach it, and then it's going to give you a submit option, okay? So it'll say submit assignment, and you can do that. And that is how you will submit your reading log. And the other ones are going to be, yes, we want to leave. The other assignments you will do in the Nearpod, so it tells you how to turn it in here. So you answer those questions in the Nearpod, I get all of the responses. And then right here in the student application is where you will get, that's where I will get the information about how much time you spent, and then I will look at your assessment scores. Okay, I hope this makes things a little bit clearer for you. And if you have any questions, you can always email me, or you can go to those office hours. Okay? Okay, I hope you have a good week. Bye.